Welcome back to Junk Monkey Paint Company's Keto Creative channel here on YouTube. So everybody's been on a wild ghee chase recently, and you go to the store, it's $20 a jar, $10 a jar, even at Walmart, little tiny things $8. But that's the thing, it's all in the name, because all ghee is hello. It's just unsalted butter.
What?
It's been clarified.
Ghee is unsalted butter?
That's all it is.
I thought it was like duck fat or some weird stuff.
So we are going to make our own ghee for $3.
Wait. Ghee is butter.
Ghee is butter. It's just clarified butter.
Why would they do that?
Because it's a traditional.
I know why they would do that.
It's it's all marketing. It's a traditional.
The monkeys are laughing.
Yeah, it's a traditional Indian cooking ingredient. Clarified butter, right?
Clarified butter.
Yeah, same stuff you dip your lobster and your crab in, which I'll get to another day. We will do a seafood day because seafood is very keto, a lot of it, but we can't do it here because Miss Sonia has a really severe seafood allergy. So I'm going to talk to some friends of mine that have a kitchen that cooks seafood, and we'll have a seafood extravaganza.
Woohoo.
Because that's one thing I love about keto is I had a massive feast at the ocean, and it was all keto friendly.
Nice.
So this thing here that we were making would cost you about $20 to $30.
You're kidding me.
At a specialty store.
And we're using unsalted Giant Eagle butter, which could be any brand you want, just unsalted.
Absolutely.
Okay.
If you want to do your Kerrygold, you know, your Irish butter, which I'll get into in
everything better.
What's that?
I said butter makes everything better.
It does. So all we're going to do is we're just going to heat this up till it melts down, and we're going to clarify it.
Okay, I have no idea how to clarify butter, so that should be interesting.
Well, thank you for being here. I'm going to show you how to clarify butter.
How to clarify butter. I have no idea. Like, if you said to me right now, what would you do? For everybody out there watching, like, okay, this is your quiz. How to clarify butter, and you will win $1 million. I would not win it, because I have no idea.
This foam on top, if you're making beer, that would be called Kreutzen. These are all the impurities inside in certain fats and lactose and things like that inside of the butter. So what we're going to do is, do you see this bright yellow, neon yellow, beautiful sunshiny color underneath?
Yes, it looks like lemon meringue pie.
We're going to get rid of all this foam on top, and this is what we're going to be left with. And believe it or not, that right there is all the ghee is.
Really?
It really. So
it's butter with the foamy stuff skimmed off the top of the impurities.
That's all it is.
You're kidding me.
Nope. So you just take that out like that. Throw it out.
What?
Yep. That's the drawn butter that you use for your lobster and everything else, which you used to love.
Yes.
You can put it in the fridge or leave it out. You just start in your coffee and things like that. You know how a lot of people like throwing it in your coffee? You would just continue to do that until you get every little thing. But you know what? This is pretty darn good, right?
So guys, this is our ghee. This is it right here. Who knew all along? Pay a fortune for this stuff. And all it is where you just basically simmer your butter.
How long did that take?
And take the impurities off the top.
Yeah. How long did
that is crazy. Just a couple minutes. So now I need some fake lobster or fake crab to dip into that, because, say it with me, butter makes everything better. This looks so good. Oh my goodness gracious.
So there's a $20 container for $3.
Unbelievable.
And now you have ghee.
Unbelievable.
You can continue to draw this off, but you're going to get some proteins that sink to the bottom that are heavier. Can you see that white line around there?
Yep.
Don't use that. You can strain this off again and get rid of it. Keep clarifying it. The ghee is the super yellow portion.
So a little bit of protein that goes to the bottom.
You don't have to worry about. Yeah.
Okay, super.
So why spend $20 when you can do this in 5 minutes and have it for yourself?
No kidding. I thought it was some specialty, like super expensive, I don't know, magic in a jar. Who knew? Who knew, people? Okay, who else had their mind blown today? Ghee! Who knew it? And by the way, ghee is not spelled G-E-E.
It's actually spelled G-H-E-E. So there's all your education for today, okay, if you need to know that. This is the part of the video because we are in the middle of Vlogmas that I get to go ahead and announce a winner, winner, chicken dinner. And so today is a very special day because up for grabs, I put here on our YouTube channel yesterday this cute little Christmas tree paint and pretty papers project that I did. Catch the tutorial over my Facebook page. I'll also link it below if you want to make your own and do your own style, but wasn't this a fun project? And so many people messaged me about this, but I saved it just for you guys because I wanted to do it as part of a giveaway here on Vlogmas. And so I have got a winner. Yesterday I put up here on my channel, I said to be entered into this giveaway, all you have to do is tell me something that you're thankful for in 2018. I say that we kind of like steamroll ahead 2019, but just taking a moment to pause and think back and reflect on all the great things that we have going on in life is a good exercise to do. So I was so happy to hear all the feedback that you guys sent in. We got a lot of happy people on here, a lot of grateful, happy, thankful people. 15 hours ago, Veronica Cabrales. Hopefully I said your last name right, Veronica, and what a beautiful name that is. Her last name is C-A-B-R-A-L-E-S. Girl, you are my lucky winner today. To collect them, what you have to do is just email me at junkmonkeypaint@gmail.com before 24 hours go by. So as of the timestamp of this video, when this video is uploaded here on YouTube, is when the clock starts. So it begins now. Girl, I want to hear from you, Veronica. And put winner, winner in the subject line. I'll be waiting for your email to come in the next 24 hours. So here is what Veronica wrote. She says, 2018 helped me to further appreciate the relationships I have, especially with my family. Having 3 grown children and 1 quite younger has been my biggest blessing. I have seen my children grow and make life-altering decisions with grace and humility. Their lives have been enriched, and in turn, my heart has been a smiling mess. I just thought that was just such a beautiful thought. So it is the season for giving, and here on Vlogmas for 25 days straight, we're doing 25 giveaways. And so what you have to do to enter, of course, is answer the question that I ask you. So to comment below on the question that's asked, but also to subscribe to our channel here on YouTube and be sure to like this video. So up for grabs for tomorrow's giveaway, which starts right now, is $20 in Banana Bucks. Banana Bucks, of course, is free bananas, free dollars that you can use at our website at junkmonkeypaint.com. So after watching this video, what is one thing that you've learned about Ghee that you did not know before? Tell us below. I want to know your thoughts. So thank you guys for being here on our channel with us today. We really appreciate you guys. Appreciate all your love, all your comments below. We read them all. All right, and with that, I am off, but we'll be back tomorrow. See you guys then. Bye.